Hello everyone, welcome to our manufacturing plant. Our factory is full ISO certified. So every production step follows strict standardized quality control. So let's take a quick tour together. First up, it is our raw material storage area where quality begins. Right beside it is our cutting shop. We cut the steel pans into parts of our tanks, and then our wader will be shipped our tank body. For precision components like handle, Homogenizer hand, we lay on professional CNC finish machinery equipment to guarantee high dimensional accuracy. So right now we are in another room. This is our polishing room. We polishing every tank until the steel surface is shiny, nice looking, and easy to clean. We back to our factory 4 doors. As you can see the left beside, it is our assembly workshop. All machine spare parts comes together here for fully assembly. After assembly, we carry out secondary fine polishing and detail finishing, followed by straight per delivery test reading. We only arrange shipment once our customers fully confirm the test result. From raw steel to finish machine, we control every step. Interested in? Reach out. We love to show you how we can power your production.